Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix the page not loading in GoDaddy Website Builder 2026. If your GoDaddy page won't load, don't panic and try this. Just follow these few simple steps. Now, before we start these few simple steps, we're gonna go to the GoDaddy.com website and then you're gonna make sure to sign in if you haven't done that already. We're just gonna click on the GoDaddy website and here you're gonna click on the sign in option. Once you click on the sign in option, you're gonna click on create an account. As you can see, I'm already connected. So I'm just gonna click here and you can create an account by using Google or Facebook accounts. Now, let's go back to our topic and fix the page not loading in GoDaddy Website Builder. The first thing you want to do is to refresh and test. You're gonna refresh the page. First of all, you're gonna go to the website here and you're gonna click on edit website once it's loaded. After that, you're gonna refresh the page and try opening it in an incognito mode. You can use the incognito mode to do a fresh opening for the website. Now, if that doesn't work, you're gonna try to check the site status. We're gonna log into GoDaddy and make sure your site is published. Once you do that, you're gonna disable heavy elements. Large images or videos can slow loading, so optimize or remove them. And you can also clear the cache. Clear the browser's cache and reload the site. You can do that by clicking on the three dots here and click on deletion browsing data and choose cookies right here and choose to delete cookies and data site and catch images like this and then click on delete data. Then try to reload the website again. If that doesn't work, test on another device. It helps confirm if the issue is local. And don't use oversized images, don't use too many third-party EMTs, and always optimize media. And that's how you fix the page loading issues in GoDaddy Website Builder. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.